So I picked up these sleepers yesterday, and when I was unloading them and took these two apart, I found termites crawling across here, across this surface. There was only 4, but when you look at where the two were together, this is what termite damage looks like, because they've been eating the softer section in between the grain layers. And then this part, which I've just been digging out, this is all wet rot defect in the timber, because I've been digging through here looking for termites. But this is actually rot within the tree from moisture, and up here where it started to dry out and crack. So this isn't termite damage, this is actually wet or dry rot. This is the start of wet rot, where it's all the knots and soft material has gotten wet and is just soaking. And this was termite damage here. On the other side there was mud trails along here, but they actually haven't gotten into this one, and here's another sap pocket. These bits here though, when you look at the shape of them, and this is from another borer that eats the sap, and they travel through, and then the tree creates more sap. You see that a lot in Australian hardwoods, these sort of things. And here's a knot that's just gone soft from a branch. That's a borer hole, and a borer hole from past borers. Spent a little bit of time just painting the bricks that are above the waterproofing. A few years back, this bottom section I dug right down to the foundation and put a waterproofing render, and then a couple of layers of waterproofing and some new drainage and everything to stop water going through into the laundry. But I only painted up to the top of the render, and I gotta say, yeah, it does look nice with just the single colour underneath the house, rather than a black, then a tan brick, then the house. I just got to go and pull the stairs out now and do that section, and then while I'm there I'll put some dirt into that section to fill it size of the concrete patio thing that we're going to have there. It's so wet, I was getting stuck in that, so I stopped once I got that sort of dug out. But this top stump cut down, it's still a bit above ground level, so I'm probably going to have to hire a stump grinder. So that's that one there. And then this one where this retaining wall is going to be coming down here. Finally got that stump out. Started getting the roots, but you can see the chain's just starting to burn because I couldn't avoid the billet while I was trying to get to the roots. And I'm going to have to get a stump grinder onto that as well, I think. So may as well just hire one.